The African Grey Parrot is a true gem with its distinct plumage. Their feathers are primarily a smoky gray color accentuated by a strikingly vibrant red tail. Beyond their beauty, African Grey Parrots are renowned for their exceptional intelligence. They possess the ability to mimic human speech and learn a vast vocabulary. Their talent for imitating voices and sounds is truly remarkable. These parrots are not just skilled talkers. They also form deep emotional connections with their human companions. African Greys crave social interaction and thrive when they receive ample attention and mental stimulation. Prepare to be amazed. African Grey Parrots have showcased exceptional problem-solving skills. Their cognitive abilities have been likened to that of a young child, as they can solve puzzles, recognize shapes, and even understand abstract concepts.